Dad, here's some little bits on tooling that I have picked up for my Bosch impact driver. In the 1/4 inch stuff, the power drive bits with the deep groove go in here, let go of the sleeve, they're locked in. This chuck assembly is a little bit unique in that it won't take everything that isn't long enough in the base length. This piece doesn't stay locked, but it works. The Bosch piece has a longer base shank and will stay locked, and that looks like this comparatively. It's quite a bit longer on the base part, goes in, stays locked, just like that. Functions the same otherwise. This is bits and pieces from 2 or 3 sets. Torx, Phillips, straight. And these are modular. The Bosch sets are kind of nice because you can take them apart and carry whatever you want to carry together. The other bits and pieces are, these are a discontinued set, and they let you run Allen drive or socket. These are, I think, 5 or 6 through 10 millimeter. However, they have the same issue of not staying in there, but it's kind of like having a full socket set because I have those. And have a metric set of flip sockets. This is a kit that Snap-on started a long time ago. Comes with 4 sockets and 2 extensions. These are actually Husky from Home Depot. They came in a set with 1/4 inch, 2 pieces, 3/8, 2 pieces, 1/2 inch, 2 pieces. Those aren't in this kit right now, but that's how the set came for like $10. This is Sunex makes this one size of 8 and 10. Snap-on 9 and 11, 12 and 14, 13 and 15. So basically this box covers everything metric from 6 through 15. And those go in here like so. The 8 and 10 of course gets used a ton. And for sheet metal screws, Malco sells a magnetic cleanable flip socket in 5/16 1/4. They make a lot of different lengths of these, and then they also sell, I think, 5/16 and 3/8 as a flip socket also. Super handy if you're in heating and air conditioning. And that's about it for now. Also, the hog ring 1/2 inch drive fits all standard 1/2 inch drive sockets.